Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Vertical tangents on parametric curves are quick if you remember one rule. Make dx over dt 0, then verify dy over dt is not 0. Start by differentiating both parametric equations with respect to t. For x equals t squared minus 4t plus 5, dx dt is 2t minus 4. And for y, dy dt is 2t. For a vertical tangent, the x derivative must be 0 because the slope dy dx would blow up. So set 2t minus 4 equal to 0, which gives t equals 2. Now check the y derivative at t equals 2. You get 2 times 2 minus 6, which is negative 2, so it is not 0. Well done, option A. Scan now. Trap, sign mistakes, and rushing. Rule, trust the given equations and check both derivative steps carefully.